Hello, I'm Richard Torbay, Speaker of the Parliament of New South Wales. On behalf of the members of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council, I want to wish the National Assembly for Wales a very happy birthday on your 10th birthday. 10 years ago saw your country embark on its first steps as it created its own legislature. It must have been an exhilarating yet humbling experience to be the forebearers of a new parliamentary system for Wales, creating the foundations upon which you and successive generations will build on as your House develops. Yet 10 years later here, we're watching how what was described by some as an experiment has become a legislature best designed to meet the needs of the Welsh people. There has always been a bond between Wales and New South Wales, more so than just the similarity in our names. From 1770, when Francis Wilkinson of Bangor in Caernarfon served as master's mate under Captain James Cook on the Endeavour when it made its voyage which led to the discovery of the east coast of Australia, the transportation of convicts and political activists to these shores, to the mass immigration of the 19th and 20th centuries, the people of Wales have played a role in the development of the state of New South Wales and of Australia. How could anyone forget the role a Welshman played in the foundation of Australia? Of how a man named Samuel Griffith, born in Merthyr Tydfil, Glamorganshire, had a pivotal role in the drafting of the Australian Constitution and went on to become the first Chief Justice of the High Court of Australia. The connection between our two parliaments is always symbolically on show in your own chamber with your mace, which was a present from us to you. The fact that the goldsmith responsible for its manufacture is also the maker of the Melbourne Cup merely strengthens that very connection. In 10 years, your House has brought in practices which my own House, in its 153 years, has not come close to matching in the terms of innovation. I'm slightly envious of how your House is showing other houses with a longer history how things can be done differently and without all of the conflict which is inherent in our own system of parliamentary democracy. So in closing, may I say from New South Wales, happy birthday, or more appropriately, should I say, Pen Blwydd Hapus.